I appreciate y'all sending your friends there. Sending your friends in a team bowl to learn. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Sorry I'm a bit late today, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. All right. Let's go to share screen. Oh, markets on a dip this morning, huh? Wait, no, that's the wrong name. Well, it is on a dip. Never mind. I'm tripping. On the NASDAQ, let's go ahead and mark out our key levels. Let's mark out our pre-market low. Get that done. Code it blue. And mark out our pre-market high. As a reminder, guys, take everything I taught you from yesterday's system and apply it today. That's the only way this works long term, is if you guys take what you're learning and apply it in real time. Apply it each and every day. Dun, dun, dun. Do I trade here or just watch? Bro, we catch bangers every day. Every day, almost, we catch bangers. Sorry I'm late, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, shit. My camera's frozen. My camera's frozen. There we go. Okay, now we're good. Now we're good. We good, baby. What's going on, money team? Hey, did you guys all enjoy that free live training last night? You guys all like that? Told you guys you get value. Told you guys you get value. I don't promise you'll get value and then not get value. From Nebraska. That's awesome. That's where I'm from. Lincoln, baby. I don't think Greg took a position. I wasn't listening.
That's what I thought I might do here. Let's see if we can get an entry.
Yep. It's on the games, huh? It loves being on the games. All I want today is a nice big profit and order filled.
We got bullish divergence and it's confirming. I'm looking at the loss. We enter this box again. Was too fast. Man, that was too fast.
QQQ. It's the 14th, so 15th. Let's put these up. I'm pulling my option chain up again. I need to start on my new 50K account I funded with Mumu. With Mumu.
Are you over there moving?
Moo. That's me asking you for a winning trade.
Oh, man. I think I missed the chance.
I'm setting on my options chain right now, though. I'm bringing back Humble Honda days on the daily basis. Well, maybe not on the daily basis. Jeez Louise, this candle ripped. Jeez Louise. That is a ripper, if you ask me.
Isn't that bullish divergence
Is what?
On the dashboard, if you can see my screen share, the way the bullish divergence and VIX confirmed with it is crazy accurate. Like, especially like in a key zone. The trade I took this morning was inside of our supply, basically where we're just rejecting now.
Anyone took the loans entering the box 712? Was too fast for me. Retest.
Talking real low. All right, let's see here.
And you see we do a good retest of 712 here.
I'll just angel.
Off and
What am I seeing? Not much right now. Kind of weird cross section. Massive green candle, now massive red one. Go let it settle.
yep, this is that prop firm paying price action. They love seeing stuff like this. They love seeing candles like this. They love seeing these big aggressive candles up and down. It's all right. We'll find a banger today. I'm not worried about it. I'm going to make ourselves a bag today. I can't handle the longs anymore. Or I can't handle.
Time to be patient here, everyone. I would be careful trying to catch anything until we settle. People.
Picking a kilo, guys. Kilos.
Craig's like, hold my beer.
712 was my entry.
I'm personally.
Says high probability we retest the bottom of this wick here.
I'm personally waiting to. Personally, just waiting for an A+ systematic setup for me. No trades. No trades the first 15 to 20 minutes. Almost ever.
690 my entry, my stop loss. 712 my entry.
Don't know. Do we have let's see, news and events? We have existing home sales at 10 and US business inventories. And we have some Fed speakers this afternoon. All right. As a reminder, guys, I appreciate you all being here. Trading smart, trading safe, choosing discipline over dopamine, staying focused. Drip Dealer, I think your best bet is to be on the YouTube live stream if you're not in Team Bull. You get full screen share, all my levels. You can just go on YouTube and type in JDUN trades, Jdun trades, and you'll find it.
I know there was a chance with a tariff announcement today. I don't know the time and everything. There's a chance this, but
Staying patient, guys. No trades yet for the first 15 minutes, especially not when we have price action like this. I'm gonna go say hi to Jen quick.
We have this like bullish hammer to the upside, and then we have this really strong trend-setting candle to the downside. Volume is lower, but it's always going to be lower on the second candle, and it's a engulfing candle, right? So it engulfs the entire body of the previous candle. So that's interesting. It's interesting.
Trying to say hi to Jen. She never wants to talk to me.
Nothing.
Why she never want to talk to me, chat?
Really broken out either. Like all of
Why does Jen never want to talk to me in Team Bowl?
are also inside candles, right?
No love.
They're full side. The full candle is inside the previous full candle on all of them. So I'm gonna want to see some definitive movement to get into anything. What's up, Jdun? Oh, he wants to speak.
Looking to re-enter
I just wanted to come say hi.
Oh, good morning. Good morning.
How's your morning been so far?
Good. No trades yet. Being super patient.
You got anything you're watching for?
Yeah, well, I think for me, I like the longs above that previous day low that we rejected on the news and then just kind of came up and got close to and rejected again. But it's weird. I was just telling everybody, I find it odd the first 2 5-minute candles on the NASDAQ, and then also all of my confluences are inside bars. Like the second bar is inside the first bar, and they're like conflicting directions. So I want to see some really, really clear confirmation that they can take anything.
Okay.
Yeah. What about
That's
you?
what I was talking about, Team Wolf.
I like it.
Very high chance that we retest the bottom.
What are you looking for? I called your trade out yesterday. Literally, I was like, who's listening to both of us? I know Jdun's in the short off of the rejection of pre-market low.
Yup. Damn, that's awesome. You took that too?
No, I didn't. I'd already taken 2 trades.
Oh, well.
One was a winner and one was a loser, so I was done. But
Followed your plan. That's what's up.
it was such a good trade, though.
I love those retests. It's just,
Yeah.
you repeat that trade 100 times, it's going to work out 50, 60, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was just saying, too, about the previous day low, previous day high. I feel almost even more confident in that level retest. If we break above it and there's volume confirmation, it's like such an easy play to take.
Consistent. It's a
All right,
payer.
we're starting to push down a little bit, guys, so.
All right. Well, you guys have a nice stream. I just wanted to say hi and go kill it.
Oh, Jdun, everybody wants you to give me a Zoom link because everybody says my screen is still blurry.
Well, let's see if we can fix your settings first.
Yeah.
We'll see if we can fix your Discord setting first, and if we can't, then we'll find a solution that makes everybody happy.
Sounds
Hi,
good.
Gene.
All right.
Nice hat.
Thanks, bud.
Gene's here. All right. See ya.
Okay, Gene.
Hi.
Later. All right, so
I was just saying hi to my Team Bowl team. All right. Let's get it, everybody. Was caught up in the fast life. What do you guys think? Do you think they're going to reverse the tariff decision?
I think it would be a bad decision at this point.
Refunds for everybody. Ain't nobody getting that $2,000 stimmy check.
It'd be nice though if they could release a nice check for everyone without affecting the inflation. You know?
The thinking about stimmy checks brings me back to the beginning days of Team Bowl.
Oh yeah, that was cool. They gave away a couple then, right?
Yep. And everyone was DJing their stimmy checks into AMC and GameStop.
Is this your iPad?
No, it's Gerardo's.
Wow. He just invalidated one of my songs there.
You have food, Gene? Why does it smell good? It's not you. I'm not saying you smell good, weirdo.
My body.
Sounds like you smell like a freaking you kind of smell like you're like a McGriddle from McDonald's. I haven't had McDonald's in like 10 years, but I recognize that smell from a mile away. I grew up on them things.
Not Mark. I don't
Gene's new cologne is the McGriddle.
I'm McLovin.
Why does bro smell like a McGriddle? Please tell me. That's crazy. All right, guys, our 15-minute range is in on the NASDAQ. Let's get our pre-market high in as well.
130 range.
Yeah, it's insane. Well, not insane, but something. Up in the fast life. All right. You know what we do have? We have that pre-market low right around that 50% retracement. So maybe if we get a pullback to this area, I wish we would have higher volume here. Bro in TikTok says, who says you are the #1 futures trader on TikTok? TikTok chat, tell him. Is this the #1 futures stream? Do I help make you guys money every single day? My fellow students and warriors, come to battle. Do we dominate every day? Guys, the best. Yes. Tell them, TikTok chat. Thumbs up. Steady green days. As long as you don't blow yourself up. And guess what? Guess what? Paydun's in the house now because I got my coffee. We went from Jdun to Paydun. The coffee is in hand. Once I get coffee in hand, we're good. We turn to Paydun. All right, YouTube, let's do this. We got almost 800 people in here. I started late. Get those likes up. Let's get up to 200. Let's get up to 200 likes. We're at 65. I know we got at least 200 people in here choosing DOD, trading smart, trading safe, staying focused, and getting enough value to hit that thumbs up button. Come on. Let's get those likes up. Let's go, baby. 200. Let's get it. J-Dub, I like that too. J-Dub works too. There we go. Over 100. Let's get to 200, baby. Oh, I'm concentrated. I'm chilling. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. And also, if you're trading with the funded accounts using code JDUN. Yeah, sorry I was late today. I had some shit to do. Apex is 80% off still. That's the firm that paid me $50,000. Thank you for the class last night. I learned a lot. Let's go. I'm a little worried about that too. I will watch for a retrace back to that pre-market low though. It's not my favorite due to volume, but with the 50% retracement there, like with the midline there, and with that level, 700. Here's the problem too, guys, is that the previous high, the previous candle high, is 100 points above, and we're not having a 90-point stop loss on the trade, so. Yep.
Not on this candle, but maybe that night. Well, negative guts on this candle here, everyone. I'm not sure if we'll make it up there.
We'll see you.
Still positive.
Dun, dun, dun. There's something happening here. The trend we're seeing isn't exactly clear. There's a candle with volume over there telling me it's an anomaly. I gotta beware. It's time to trade up, make that money. Everybody look what's forming on the 5 minutes. And we're not gonna get up there, huh? Nobody's right. All right. Grizzly, I think you're right. I don't think they're going to give us that push all the way up. I don't think they're going to give it to us, my friend.
I'd take some shorts in this area if we just pull back just a little more.
All right. Come on. You like that remix? I thought that was good too. Thanks, bro. I'm not sure if we get tariff news today.
Literally, I was going to try some like 56. Put my stop at 75. Now I'll make the push down.
In my head, this is where we all came from.
That tune.
The dreams we had. All right, guys, looking at this chart, I'd want to see a pullback for any sort of shorts to this area up here. Pre-market low, 50% retracement. I don't love the volume we've seen, but with the levels, I'm still open to the idea. Not sure we're going to get it. Besides that, right now, I don't see a whole lot. Tesla's stagnant to the upside and downside. It's just consolidating. SPY, slow as well. So we're just going to stay patient, trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline over dopamine. Stay focused and simply focus today on not blowing yourself up. All right. Damn, we're about to that low. We just hit low day. Wow. Wow.
I'm looking 563. Possible bounce.
I will not get stopped in this range. I will not be whipped around in this range. I promise you that. Stay the same. You see anything you like, Gene?
I'm not even looking for it. I'm not ready.
Why?
I just don't want to.
How was Asia last night?
I lost like 10 points.
Damn.
It's super slow. It's like a 30-point range for 3 hours.
Gene got cooked in Asia. 10 points. I'm looking at some individual stocks in the meantime. Tesla's not doing anything. Nvidia's going down. Not seeing a whole lot that I like. MSTR. MSTR's ripping. Yeah. I wonder if they had news this morning. Nope. Means Bitcoin must be doing well, huh? Oh, yeah. Bitcoin's pumping.
Is Bitcoin pumping?
Well, 96. So, I mean,
What's Mara at this morning?
what's good old Hut doing? That's the question.
No, I asked about Mara because we sold some puts in Team Bull this week. So we should be up nice. Bitcoin pumping.
New lows. I was hoping we'd see that pullback first, but nothing. I need to see a retest, otherwise I'm not in. Need to see a retest, otherwise I'm not in. PC is driving. I need some inspiring. All right, we're at 15-minute low. Still waiting. DOD, guys. It's DOD Wednesday.
I would agree. Probably best to wait on the news here in a few minutes. Nice, Tyler. Good job, man.
Yeah, we got.
A chance of snow here in Tennessee, Jdun.
Really?
Finally. They've already salted the roads and everything. Like it's going to do something crazy. Probably barely.
Yeah, you get like an inch or two.
If we're lucky, you know. I mean, occasionally we'll get like a 8-inch of snow or something, but
Nice job, Tyler. I love seeing y'all posting gains and type DOD.
it's like Christina's crushing it in the Team Bull.
Yup, killing it. Gene, I seen some people complaining about FFF's switch to live for people.
Yep.
Kind of burning them like they did to you.
I gave a rant on that the other day.
Seen that.
Yeah, they did Gene super dirty. Well, how much profit do you have to forfeit, Gene?
20 grand.
Yeah, Gene had to profit. Gene forfeited 20 grand in profit that he could have gotten paid out, and got
paid out that next
and
week when
he would have gotten paid out next week 20 grand, and then they basically said get effed, and you get 5 micros and have to make $5,000 before you get paid in your live. That ain't cool.
And they took my funded accounts.
And they took the funded accounts away. That's not cool. We don't like that. $20 grand. Damn, you know how many steaks you could have bought me with that 20 grand, bro? You know how many steak dinners and sushi 20 grand can buy? You ever think of that, of your math like that, Grizzly? I do. Crazy. FFF. The platform I used to actually be a part of a year ago in February was when I left.
Want to move that?
Jeez Louise. And even the trend-setting candle is lower volume, though.
Horrible volume on that candle that broke out of the range.
Let's see here. I wonder what... I'm still open to finding a lower high in this. All right, give me one pullback. I'd like a retest. Remember, no retest, no trade for me. You know how many stake flights I could have bought with Gene's 20 grand? How many stake flights he could have bought me?
Down payment on a Hellcat?
A down payment, you know, he could have gotten his Hellcat. So my stake flight's $99. After taxes, let's say it's like 105 and plus, like let's say a gracious 30% tip because, you know, Team Bull tips 31. So stake flight, all in all, let's say it's 140 bucks, okay, for the ultimate stake flight. With that 20 grand, Gene could have bought me 143 stake flights. Damn. Rip. All right, we might get that 2-bar setup we talked about yesterday, guys. If we get the 2-bar setup with solid confirmation, we can look for the next pop-up retest for continuation down. So we'll see if we get the confirmation. We still have a lot of time left in this candle. But I'm glad we got some volume picking up. Grizzly, remember that V-shape you spoke about yesterday? V-shape recovery?
So Jdun,
Remember that V-shape recovery you spoke about yesterday?
it smacked. Then it gave a pullback for an entry.
Looking the 569 report. If they recover or they're gonna be rejecting it. That's what I'm watching now.
So what I'm speaking about with the 2-bar setup is when you're looking for trend to confirm in one direction or the other. So when you see aggressive candle and then second aggressive full body candle with rising volume, that's what I call a 2-bar setup in trend direction. So even if we don't have this to be the quote unquote trend setting candle, but if we get this one to confirm, I'll look for a retest back up. I'll have to check our risk to see what that entry would be. And we can look for continuation within that setup. That's what I'm looking for in terms of 2-bar setup.
Good volume on this candle here. That's what
Yep.
I wanna see.
Yep. This is what you want to see.
We're in this very small hourly demand. Only thing I don't like.
Maybe around 600 we could try shorts. We'll stop above like 630.
I like that. Technically, you could justify getting in here, stop above top of this candle.
That's a tough candle to short with this wick. The volume looks great, but I don't know. I'm not super confident either way. If you see something else you like longs, whatever, then take your deal. I don't love either way. This just has a bit too much risk down here. If we'll see if we bounce this 50% retracement of this 2-bar setup to a T. Looks like we are so far. I have it drawn out in screen share, but I'd rather see up closer to like the 600. So then if we technically did end up trying a short in here, you just keep stops above this candle high, and if we go above here, you know we're likely wrong on the trade. I'll let you guys know if I take it. I'm not saying I'm going to. Like yesterday, I was like, guys, I'm taking shorts 70 to 80. Like this is happening. Today, I'm not as certain. I don't love the volume in this candle.
They recover 569 right now.
Yeah, I'm not looking to long off this candle here. I prefer shorts.
Come on, a little higher. Little higher. Little higher. We're in that range, but I want to see a little bit higher. Not sure we're going to get it. Oh, come on. If you guys are watching screen share, that 50% to 61.8% retracement of the 2-bar setup's paying out nice. This was a little high. This high right here was a little high for my risk parameters.
That's positive delta on this candle. We could flip very quickly.
Let's see. Not in anything yet. Trade smart, trade safe, and choose DOD, everybody. Stay focused. Keep your game plan in check. Let's see what they give us here. Why do all these trolls come into the TikTok? Be like, you missed the move, little bro. What are you talking about? I literally catch winners almost every day. But fries in the bag, bro. No canola oil. Please use beef tallow. I don't like them soft. Not a big fan of crispy. Preferably sweet potato fries. But if all you guys regular, that's fine. Just no seed oils. Salty. I'll take some salt too. As long as it's pink Himalayan. Beef tallow fries in the bag, bro. How am I supposed to short this? Hey, come on. We gotta give the trolls a little something. We're waiting for an A+ retest.
I was watching for a short entry
Me too. Dun, 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 dun. All right, still waiting. They retested into this 50% to 61.8%. But personally, no setup for me. Hey, that's dope. Passed my phone out yesterday using your code Jdun. Much appreciated, brother. Now $200 to $300 days to get a payout with Apex. Let's go. I'm going to pin that. Appreciate you using code Jdun. I hope you choose discipline over dopamine when you use it. Apex is 80% off right now. You can get a 50K challenge for like $39. Oh my gosh. Wow. What a pump. Demand is demanding. I'm still waiting. That was a Hulk candle. Those shorts just got annihilated.
I'm gonna wait on this candle close. But from what I'm seeing now, pre-market lows looks much better for a reject.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
15-minute range.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Ripper. All right, let's see.
My screen share, Jay, I don't have this
Ripped. Shorts got cooked. So you wait for confirmation. I would never short just on a rip like this. Our volume isn't as high as you'd expect either with that big move. A little surprising. A little surprising, to be honest.
Did the court decide no decisions again?
Yeah, I think so.
You made for some weird price action last time, right? When they did that.
What is not typical? See if it gives us a reversal. Maybe now we get a reversal set up for longs. Good with this candle. This is when all you guys realize who are impatient without discipline realize why Jdun is the master. I wouldn't say the master, but I am the creator of the DOD system, and it's helped a lot of people. A lot of students make more money and keep more money. Just got to be patient.
That move, I know we come out of demand, but that move was due to the tariff
Yep.
decision.
Was me, Christian.
Was that you buying in?
Yeah, Greg bought in. That's what it was. I joined him as well.
569.
Say you
I like the
never.
700 area for shorts, everyone. I'm watching it closely.
All right, I got to use the restroom quick. So I'm sure now that I get up, it'll give us a nice move. Gene, come say hello, and everyone, please be nice to Gene. He needs it. Let's go.
Yeah, I didn't hold the 569.
Wow.
Because I want to thank the guys. It was a good set of 569 recovery there. His daily hot box. I took that loss, I'll definitely see him recover.
Ain't short yet. We got the bullish divergence and VIX confirming here.
Already?
So technically, we should be looking for a pullback for a long.
That candle smells good.
Isn't that good?
Yeah,
I'll give him a dance.
yeah, I took it, but I didn't follow it. Price performance ratio I saw the recover and I took it. My grade is already blue. I was just trying to recover the first loss. Was a mega trade there. 569 to 669. But I didn't mega trade. I just tried to recover the first trade. First, I'm back to the killer.
Oh, what do we do here? Technically speaking, it'd be valid to look for the longs on the pullback, but it'd be a lot of risk. We rejected that area. I was watching earlier for shorts. Sniper said, Jdun, I need help with FOMO right now. I caught a banger on a live, but was too emotional and screamed loudly, heart racing. Then I could have hit 2 more massive trades based on my levels. I'm watching trades that would have took play out. Well, the good thing for you, if you have FOMO, is that if it's a repeatable setup, sorry, what?
Sounds like bro needs to lay off the caffeine
Yeah.
before trading.
Well, the cure to FOMO is actually quite simple. You just have to remind yourself that if you miss a setup or you fumble a setup, if that setup is a good, repeatable, A+ high probability systematic setup with an edge, it'll come again. So if you see a setup that you miss or you don't manage well, and it's genuinely a good systematic setup, it's going to come again and again and again. You're going to have the chance to catch that setup another day. But you won't have the chance to catch that setup if you go on tilt and you get frustrated and you overtrade and you batter down your confidence and you batter down your account. So if you have the ability to stay patient and to choose boring and to choose discipline over dopamine, you'll get the chance to catch that setup again. That's the decision you have to make. I honestly have no opinion right now which way the market's going to go. I'm just waiting. I have like another hour though, so. Trading should be boring. That's right. No more. Don't know. See if we get a pullback for longs or if we make a lower high in here. You guys all choosing DOD? You guys all staying patient? Trading smart, trading safe? Well, Sniper, journal it, understand it, and move on to the next day, man. As a reminder, guys, if you're looking for a beginner-friendly prop firm with daily payouts, check out Tradeify. It's a 3-day eval versus 5-day eval, so it's better than Take Profit Trader in that way. And it has end-of-day drawdown versus intraday drawdown unfunded. If you're trading with TPT, there's no reason why you shouldn't switch to Tradeify. You can use code JDUN for 30% off. The select accounts.
If they go down to 569, or close to 569, probably gonna be the loans.
One walks
No,
beside
I'm gonna
me.
wait for the recovery of 712 to call the trade, okay? Looking 712 and 569.
Walk alone. Don't move, I'm almost finished. Bro, what does that literally even mean? Should I be scared? Should I be worried? When I walk alone. I feel like I should move after reading that. What's wrong with you? Check my vitals. You know, this whole internet streaming thing, I'm very introverted. Like, that's why I got into trading. Was I wanted to be able to be introverted in my own little world and make my money and not worry about checking my bank account. And then I get on live and try to help y'all make money, and I got people telling me don't move because they're, yeah. What? Anywho. All right. That's new. That's interesting. Something. You guys are something. It's better than the AI pictures. Like, people be sending me pictures of edited me with my feet hanging out, like oversized toes. I'm like, what is literally wrong with you? Bro, tell me what this is. Hold on. Let me just oh, thank you for the galaxy. That's very sweet of you. Definitely not necessary, but like, bro, tell me why. This is why I don't check my DMs. Y'all be on this shit. You ready? Gene, you seen that, right?
What?
The interesting DMs I get of AI pictures of me.
Yeah. Big feet.
Like, why?
I don't know.
But yes, I have size 15 feet. You don't need to make pictures of them. Don't need to make AI. That's scary. That's scary. Heart's the only thing we're seeing. Sometimes I wish someone out there will find me.
What is Core doing? Playing the hot box or not playing the hot box?
See what we get. Let's see if we get this pullback for longs or if we
Just curious.
die short. All right. Let's see. We're getting close to the area. I couldn't find the feed, but I'll find it later if you're still around. It's really not. You're not really missing out on much. I'd rather have you watch me catch you a good trade. I think that'd be more beneficial for both of us. If I could just find you a nice, good trade to look at and make money on. All right, let's see. We're getting close to that previous 15-minute high. I'm not sold 100% yet on this high or low. I'd rather see a sweep into here, like into like 600. I'd give a little bit better risk. Ugh. I'll be lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly. Wonder how Jen's stream is doing. Wonder if she caught something. We got that reject I was watching for earlier. I'm honestly a little conflicted. Like we could make this lower high in here. But there's also a definite chance that we retest this 15-minute high area, make a higher low here. This ends up being our swing low, and we curl up and keep on moving forward. I'm honestly not 100% sure right now.
Oh, what is wrong with you?
I just be giggling. I like to laugh.
I love that dog.
No trades for me yet, guys. Not in the, oh my gosh. All right. That's enough. All right. We're getting close to that level. Let's see. We're getting close to that potential bounce level. I'd like to see more of a sweep lower, but we'll see what we get done here. There could be opportunity brewing. I don't love how the low of this candle is at 560 and this is 620. That'd be a 60-point risk if we took the longs right here. I'm personally going to wait. There's too much risk. Otherwise, I would try. Like, say if we were at 620 and the low of this candle is like 590, I'd likely try this long with stops below there, but 60 points is just a little high for me. Just a little high for my risk tolerance right now.
I was gonna try a bounce here, everyone, but the divergence went away. We're right in the middle of this fair value gap, though.
Yep, I was going to wait or try bounce too. Just too much risk for me.
Very high negative depth on this. 7,079 right now.
Yeah, see, I couldn't long this anyway. We have this aggressive, higher volume move down. I can't long this. If anything, honestly, it looks like we want to make that. We made that lower high in here, held below pre-market low, and we want to continue on down. see, 670, 620. Yeah, I think there's a potential we actually see a low day now. My bias is switching a little bit, guys. We had that aggressive sell candle to the downside, close below the 15-minute low. There is definite potential we had the low day. I'll let you guys know if I enter any trades. Of course, I have not entered anything.
Watching here, guys. Watching the price action. I'm gonna respect 6.9 on breaking.
No longs, guys. No longs. What's QQQ at? 618. I actually wouldn't mind a retest back up there for shorts.
Starting a short position here on the MQ, everyone. MQ.
All right.
I left room to add. If we break above that 600, I'll add the rest of my position there, but I'm mostly in here. Stop will be above 620.
Well, shit.
Hopefully this doesn't rip. Let me add a little more. Let's see, my average is 596.
I was actually looking for put or shorts puts a little higher, like 600s, like closer to 620, that 15-minute low. I like the idea.
If we close back inside this 15-minute range on the 5-minute, I will be not playing around with this.
To the pot. No trades for me yet.
Everyone hear my average? 596 is my average on these shorts.
Let's see what the 50% retracement of that candle is. 638. Yeah. We move back up to that 15-minute low area up here. I'd be willing to potentially try some shorts. Love how patient you are. Seen like 5 other people on TikTok taking L after L chasing. I just choose DOD it. Results in me missing some trades, but also keeps me alive. Grizzlies in the shorts, everybody. This is his entry area. Grizzlies in the shorts. I'm not in. I'm not in the shorts. I like the idea. I just like to see a little bit higher push. Interesting. Higher volume.
Weird looking candle though.
It's not bad, but it's not really good either, you know? I think if you lose this 72, you should be in good shape. You should see it. If you lose this previous candle low, I think you'll hit low day. I really do. It looks like it.
Well, this previous 5-minute candle, we can trim. We'd have to break below it for a trim.
If we get this move into, if we do end up pulling back a little higher, I will try it like 620 to 640. I might miss the move, and quite frankly, for Grizzly's sake and only your guys' sake, I kind of hope I do. Just staying a little more patient today with the system, but I hope it nukes for y'all. Nukes to the downside. So I guess you could say it crumbles.
Go straight down. Go straight down.
And your entry is like 96, right? Or average.
Yeah, my average is 596. I have 10 M&Q on my personal. If you're trading on funded, 3 to 5 M&Q is all you need.
I feel like this could be the spot. There's a chance.
I do like the entry you're talking about, though, Jdun. That would be a much better average.
Yeah, but we might not get it. I do like the shorts. I'm just conflicted. If we do get this pop up into this candle, like 620 to 640, I will try the shorts, everybody. I'm not sure we get it, but I will try if we get this pop up into this zone up here. I will try the shorts. Like above this trend setting candle, I'll stop out for a loss.
This weird price action last time they did the whole tariff thing as well. The court ruling. The rest of that day was bad price action, so let's keep that in mind.
They're not going to give it to us, huh? They're going to be literally 7 to 10 points early.
I'd be happy to just get a nice trim off. And speaker about to start. 11. If they don't want to be in a trade room, never fetch.
Oh my gosh, it literally just ripped it for 2 seconds. For 2 seconds. For 2 seconds. Literally not even, what?
I think you may need to get another chance at it.
I'd like to see closer to 630, 640, but
Get a 5-minute close back inside of this zone over the 15-minute range. I will stop out. Gonna give it to us. Close right at it, literally. Right below it.
come on, go a little more into that range. That's crazy.
I'm gonna give you a chance. We're gonna try it.
630 to 640. try it. Almost there. All right, guys, we're getting to that area. Let's see, that's 40 points of risk right here if we took it. I'm going to start a starter position of shorts up here, everybody. Above 630.
About to stop me out if it pushes much higher after. Even though it's not invalidated yet, it's trying to push up point-wise to invalidate us. I'm still in as of now.
I did try those shorts up there, everybody. I have a hard stop, emergency stop above 670.
If we make a new high on this candle, I will be out of this trade.
Come on.
Above this candle here.
Push below 600 now, guys. Come on. Dude, I got a fire ad on that, bro. Come on.
Bearish fair value gap inside of the bullish one? It was. It's hard to see.
Come on. Come on. Push below 600. Come on. Come on. Die. Die, baby. I want death of the U.S. stock market right now.
Well, technically,
Come on.
the shorts to be invalid, 641.25 will be your stop, though.
Come on. Come on, baby. We're up 30 points so far. They're almost to 1-to-1. I'd like to see a little more. We're almost to 1-to-1. I want us to have death. Death of the market. We want low a day. Come on. Come on, baby. If you guys want to trim at 1-to-1 down in the 90s, you can. I want to see lower. You know, now that we're up 30, sorry to interrupt you guys. Now that we're up 30 points, I'm going to move my stops down to just about break even at 634. We're up almost 40 points at 91, guys. I'd like to see low day out of this. We waited. We stayed patient for our entry up there. Got a sniper entry. Now let's see what we can get. Come on. Come on, baby. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take a little off here, guys, in the 80s. I'm taking a little off here. Stops are still set around break even. Come on. Oh, my gosh. 40 points so far. Almost 50 points so far, everybody. That's what we wanted, baby. Come on. Let's go. Yo. Yo, 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 yo. Let's go. I told you we were catching a banger. Woo! All right, guys. Yep, another trim down here. Stops. Let's move them down to 611. Oh my gosh! We're going for mega trade. Yo!
Make sure you put your stops at entry.
Where are the haters at now? Where they at? Where are we at, baby? I'm waiting. I'm waiting, baby. Where are they at? We called that trade, literally just completely mapped that trade out, bro. Completely mapped that out. Got the perfect entry. Literally zero drawdown. Zero drawdown in that puppy. Let's go. Yo. Let's go, baby. That is so fire, baby. Literally so fire. That's what we are talking about, baby. All right, that honestly deserves some Team Bull hype up. If you guys took that trade with Grizzly or if you guys took that entry, how much are you paying ourselves today? What are we up this morning? What are we up this morning so far? Runners are running. What are we up, baby? Talk to me. How much did you guys make on that trade? We got 442, 204 times 20, 100, 1100, 300, 2300, 1050, 1300, 530, 180, 450. Let's go! 17 hundo. Come on. We do this. We do this, baby. 1,500. One good trade is all it takes every day, baby. The exact strategy we talked about in the free masterclass. Free live training paid. Let's go. Yo, that was so sick. Oh, that was so sick. Absolutely so sick nasty. So sick nasty, baby. Literally so fire. Literally so fire. Literally so fire. Mega trade, baby. Mega freaking trade. How about them apples? Can we just talk about that for a second? How about them apples? Oh my gosh. Literally textbook just beauty. Textbook beauty. Textbook beauty, baby. That's what we're doing in 2026. That's what we're doing, baby. Mega trades all day, every day. Nice job, Grizzly.
4-figure day for me, at least.
I gotta say.
I'm ready for the 5-figure weeks again. We need to get them rolling.
Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's see if I can get. Let's go, baby. Yeah, that one deserves some skiing Friday, I think. That one deserves some serious amount of skiing. So fire. Literally so freaking fire. Oh, that was awesome, guys. Are you not entertained? Every single day. I'm happy you guys stuck with DOD. We're making new low day. We're still moving, baby. Still moving. Still moving. That's exactly what we wanted to see, guys. Textbook of what we wanted to see. We stayed patient. We chose DOD. We traded smart, traded safe, stayed focused. And we...
Turn into a 100-point trade.
Oh, no. We're having a big day today, folks. We're having a big day today, folks. We're having a big day today, folks. Oh, my gosh.
You literally got that trade right.
Bro, literally at the high of that wick, bro. I'm telling you, dude, the system just pays. If you're going to stay, oh, my gosh. We're about to have a $4,000 plus day.
Well, I'm officially out of runners.
And I made a banger on the fundeds, too. Literally,
No more runners to sell. I'm out of the trade.
literally both.
Can I do?
Both just nukers. How can you buy the dip? It just keeps dipping. Beautiful, beautiful job, guys. If you haven't, please post your gains. Here's the deal. If you guys post your gains, if you guys took Grizzly trade, tag him. If you took my trade, tag me. And type DOD. I'm gonna see if I can get some codes. And if not, I'll buy one of you guys an Apex account of your choice. How about that? Maybe I'll pick two. You got to post your gains. If you took Grizzly's trade, tag him. Took my trade, tag me. And of course, include some DOD in there, baby. Let's go. Literally nasty AF. Look at that sell off. Very textbook. Textbook. Let's see how those puts did. Those puts went bananas too. I knew I should have taken that on options. Textbook A+ setup. You post your gain section. Gotta go to the post your gain section, guys, and actually just post your gains. I love seeing it every day. But I guess I'll bribe you to do it with an Apex code. Free account. And guys, if you missed that trade, if you fumbled the trade, I don't honestly with the 630 entry, I genuinely don't know how you could have. I don't think it's possible you could have stopped out for a loss. There was literally 0 drawdown. But say that somehow you did. Well, that's a repeatable setup that you can find over and over. That's a setup that will repeat itself over and over and over again. Your job is to be ready for it and to be able to choose the discipline to wait. You know, that took us almost an hour and a half to make happen. Took almost an hour and a half to get, but it worked out. All I ask from you guys, if you're on TikTok, is you hit that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live every day. And if you're on YouTube, you guys hit that subscribe button. You guys tune in every day. I give you guys my trades every single day. Win, lose, or draw. Majority of the time I win. Thank goodness. Gene, what'd I tell you about 100-point trade? What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you, bro? What did I tell you? Oh my gosh. That's literally insane. Insane. Let's go, Lefty. Yes.
What was your entry?
Bro, 33. Nasty AF.
633.
Or correction. 30.5. That was the high of the candle, was 33. 34 actually was the high. I mean, nasty AF. So nasty. That was so awesome, guys. I literally. Oh my gosh. Yep. So let's talk about that, okay? Why? Well, let's go, baby. We made on the trade if I funded's like 2 racks. On the live account, $4,300, almost $4,500. Over 4 racks on the day. We will take it. So all in all, I mean, unless it's a payout, I don't count it for fundeds. If we did this social media guru route, we'd say we're up over 6K. Now, as far as the trade recap goes, if you want my trade recap, I'm doing it on YouTube, guys. If you're on TikTok and you want to see the trade recap, I do it on YouTube. Jdun Trades. Go over right now. JDUN Trades on YouTube. Hey, guess what? Calhoun, you missed it, but it's okay, bro, because that setup's going to come again. That setup's going to happen again, bro. And yes, this is a 2-bar setup. This looks decent for continuation of the downside. This is the exact... See, on the 2-bar setup, if you were to take this, right? If you were to take this, I'd potentially look for a retest of like 50% of this candle, which also lines up with our previous low down here. So if we're going to continue down, we likely reject in this area. I don't freaking know. Maybe. Bro, I did not sleep very much last night. I swear, dude, it's something. I'm something.
And I think I'm going to call it. That's the only trade we need. No point in taking another trade if you called that one. Really nice entry up there, Jdun.
Thank you, bro. You had a nice entry too.
It almost stopped me out. It was not far from the top of that fair value gap.
Gene, I told you it works, bro.
Inside the range.
All right. Hey, Tam, it's okay because we're going to keep catching that setup over and over. Here's what we found in that. Sorry. All right. Don't leave. Don't make sure to make me host if you leave. There we go. I got it. Please make sure to make me the host, Grizzly. I want to help you redeem the winning trades, but you must listen and make me the host. All right. Let's get it. Now, as far as our trade recap goes, okay, let's talk about this. We got our levels marked out. We had pre-market high and low staggered with 15-minute high and low. We went over all this in our free live training yesterday, okay? So we get the move down initially, break back up. However, as we come and retest this 15-minute low, we have aggressive candle down with rising volume, full body. So this tells me that as we close below this 15-minute low, we're breaking this trend, and there's a very high probability as we retest back up, we want to continue this down. So I don't want to enter at 620 because if I enter at 620, right, or 600, excuse me, to 620, I have like 50 points of risk up to 670. However, if I enter at 630 to 640, I only have 30 to 40 points of risk to this trend-setting candle high. So for me, I wait for the retest back up. We have our 50% retracement here, right, of this trend-setting candle. And from this point, we enter our trade here on 630. We get our add. We set our hard stops just in case of 670. I'm willing to add more if we get up into the zone and we see an aggressive move down. The whole point of this is we're trying to capitalize on this trend down. We're not trying to be perfect. We're not trying to be the exact pinpoint entry. We're trying to have defined risk, visualized risk on every trade that we take, and catch a piece of the trend. That's all it takes. That's all it takes, guys. We can simply just catch a piece of the trend. That's it. So when we find aggressive uptrends or downtrends, we try to find a piece of that trend. We want to catch a higher low or a lower high. It doesn't have to be complicated. This is not ICT wizardry. This is not 10-step SMC. It's pure price action that works literally almost every single day. But you guys, for whatever reason, want to keep it complicated. Why do y'all want to keep it complicated? Why can't I convince you that DOD is the way? What else do I have to do to convince you DOD is the way? What else? I'm out of ideas. I try to show you it and give you winning trades every day. I try to convince you to keep things simple. I'm running out of ideas, folks. I just want y'all to make money and enjoy your trading and have less stressful trading, but y'all want to keep learning ICT wizardry and keeping things complicated and burning money on fundeds and burning money on evals. If y'all would just listen and keep things boring and choose DOD, good things would happen. I took a trade. You didn't see my trade? You weren't trading with me? Better be trading with me. Pay Done. I told y'all Pay Done was here today. I told you he was in business. Told y'all Jdun, Pay Done, Slay the Market Done came to play. I told you I came to play. Be the one to make a change. Gene, you coming to Broncos party on Saturday?
Yes.
Brandon's coming too. Having a big Broncos party.
Sorry, bud.
Brandon's not invited. How do I close this trade out? You literally flatten it. You literally just flatten it. Oh, man, that was crazy. You know what I can't wait for? You guys know that no matter where you come from, what you believe in, who you are, that I want to see you guys win in trading. But I can't wait for you Bills fans to get your ass whooped on Saturday by my Broncos, because we're going to come in and spank that booty like you're a little kid that spilled Kool-Aid everywhere, and you are in trouble. Y'all about to get that ass whooped like a damn straight belt buckle to butt. Y'all are going to get destroyed. I guarantee you. Put your money where your mouth is. Who wants to bet in the game? Yeah, they know. You're about to get belt to booty. Josh Allen's about to get whooped. Whooped. So I'm glad y'all made money. If y'all want to lose that money, go ahead and bet on the Bills. Y'all about to get cooked. Let's see if we end up getting this retrace of the 2-candle setup. Jay Allen, my daddy, right behind Jdun is crazy. No. Allen ain't doing nothing to my Broncos defense. Telling y'all right now. Everyone's saying Broncos are the worst 1 seed. Broncos are this. Bro, we're going to the Super Bowl. Say what you want. Cope however you need to. We're going to the Super Bowl. That's just what's happening. So whether you like it or not, it's like when you see an A+ setup forming. You know, when pay down comes and an A+ setup with the downside comes, it's going to pay us. Whether you like it or not, it's coming. So you're better off just dealing with it and accepting it, because it's coming. Denver's going to the Super Bowl, and that's just what it is. Oh, man. Yeah, honestly, I could see the Seahawks losing too. I could see the Seahawks losing too, for sure. All right, so if we were to take a 2-bar setup, okay. Again, I'm done for the day, likely. Maybe if I see something else to the downside, we could rip it, but there's a good chance I'm done for the day. This would be the area you'd want to enter. We have aggressive sell candle off key level, continuation candle, full body. So when you retest up 50% into this candle, what's the high here? 570. You'd want to see closer to like 540 in here. And you're looking for a lower high to continue the trend in that direction. So that's what a 2-bar play looks like. We come into here, we retest, fail. You want to see a move down with your risk defined above this candle. That's what we're looking for with the 2-bar setup. Also, can we talk about my Nebraska Cornhuskers basketball real quick? Can we just speak on that real quick? Are you guys seeing what's happening? Literally, all my teams are firing. Full speed ahead. Nebraska basketball undefeated. Avalanche on pace for a literally historic season. Nuggets we're going to come for the title once we get Jokic back. Broncos, Super Bowl bound. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? All right, so let's see if this 2-bar setup plays out, guys. So this was the point you'd want to see. You'd want to see a reject and move down. However, if we make a higher low, that would be invalid. Husker hoops, baby. Oh, Nebraska fan. I'm from Nebraska, baby. All right, let's see if this 2-bar setup's playing out. So far, if you took it, you'd be up 20 points right now. I'm curious. Is anyone participating in the 2-bar setup right now? Did anyone try that entry up there? Is anyone that's still trading participating in 2-bar setup right now? Because if you are, you're getting paid. And if not, you guys see what we're talking about. Like I want you guys to learn in real time what these setups look like and how to spot them yourselves. So when you're looking to catch a trend entry and you see that 2-bar setup and you can get the A+ entry with defined risk, that's what you're looking for. So now after this, like say 30-point move, you'd want to set your stops to break even just in case we reverse here. Otherwise, we're going to target low a day. That's what you want to look for. That's the definition. Like literally everything we talked about last night in our free live training is just coming to fruition today. It's beautiful. Honestly, you can't really ask for more. You can't really ask for more. Honestly, you just can't. All right, who thinks I should post the recording from yesterday on YouTube? I know if you booked your call, you get it for life, but we might do the same thing as last time where we have it up for a day or two and then delete it. So it's fair to people who took the steps to get the lifetime recording. There's a lot of value in that. It was 2 hours of just game. Literally 2 hours of just straight up game. And we're moving down now that 2-bar setup's paying. Literally we had it marked out before. That's the cool thing about this system is that everything that I'm trying to teach you and show you is happening in real time. It's not hindsight BS. It's not super complicated. I try to make it as simple as I can. All right, fine. We'll call the back end guy. This will be the decider. If you guys did take the 2-bar setup, make sure your stops are at break even as well. Please. Hello, Mr. Cam. I'm on the live stream. They're begging me to post the recap from last night on YouTube. Are we doing that this time or no? Or it'll be live in 2 hours. And then how long are we going to keep it up? How long should we keep it up? Till Friday or till Thursday? Keep it till Friday night. I think that's fair. Yeah, we'll keep it till Friday night. All right. So everyone can expect it to be up in like 2 hours. All right. Well, if it's not, I'm posting your phone number and they're all going to start calling you for it. Okay, kind sir, I will talk to you later. Goodbye, Mister. All right, it'll be up in 2 hours for you guys. Oh, we call me. Yeah, if I'm gonna dox the back end guy if it's not up in the next 2 hours. Dox the backend guy. Let's see here. We got lots of gains to post. One massive trade in the live called. You love it. You love to see it. Beautiful, beautiful day for the money team. Oh, man. I'm going to keep it a buck with you guys. I may or may not have participated in a part of that last move as well. I'm just going to keep it a buck with you. We may or may not have had our biggest day of 2026 so far. After that absolute nuke of a trade. Hey, you guys get one beautiful banger a day and live commentary the rest of the day. I think that's fair. The fundeds are sitting real pretty too. I'm about to run back another 50 rack payout. Run it back, Turbo. Especially if we get a downtrend. Oh man. If we get a downtrend in market, that's when I do my best. I mean, I'll do the all-time high deal and I can consistently find winners, but a lot of y'all remember when I had my near $1 million a year trading, a lot of it was downside. I really like trading the downside because the puts pay faster. Stairs up, elevator down. I'm an elevator guy. Anyone else elevator guys and girls? Mr. Gene, will you please unthaw or set some turkey or chicken out so I can unthaw it and beat the meat? You go beat my meat for me? I'm hungry. What was so funny? I'm not gonna just put it on the cast iron as a square. You got to beat it. So Gene's gonna beat my meat for me so I can eat after the live. What's the problem? It's so funny. You guys are sick. Your minds are all in the gutter. Oh my gosh. Deliver massive winning trades and value, and that's what I get is you guys with your minds in the gutter. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Hola. What? I don't. You're stupid. Under the counter. Like if you walk over, you're first left. Hopefully y'all made progress on your fundeds and on your live accounts today. And hopefully you guys learned something. I want you guys to make money. I genuinely do. But what I care about more is that you build confidence in your trading ability. Hopefully if you guys attended the free live training last night and you followed what I taught you, you guys felt like a better trader today. That's my ultimate goal is if you guys attended the free live training last night is you feel like you're genuinely a better trader today and that it paid off. You got your ROI in time. Obviously it was free, but you got your ROI in time, your most valuable asset. Let's go. Hey, you're welcome. Appreciate y'all using code Jdun too if you're trading with these prop firms. Scratch my back, I scratch yours. Apex is 80% off if you're a beginner. You want a little simpler prop firm, I recommend Tradeify. They have daily payouts on their select account. So if you go to tradeify.co, use code Jdun, on this daily payout select accounts. It's like $100 and some change, and you can get payouts on day one of your funded. 3-day eval versus take profit traders, 5-day eval. Overall better firm in my opinion. Last night's webinar was recorded. It will be live on YouTube in about 2 hours. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Bro, those legs are way too short to be mine, my boy. That is crazy, though. Oh, man, dude, I'm about to be coming in to some serious investment capital. I'm really excited. Selling that house flip. Bought it for 155. Selling it for 173. So I'll make a little money on that. I did put I probably put like just under like 40 grand into it, but so my all-in cost is like 159. Selling it for 173. My agent does it cheap for me, so selling it for 2%. So after all things said and done, not really much I have to do on the inspection resolution. Everything was solid. So let's say it closing costs are around 5%. 86.5, let's call it, just to be safe. Minus 86,500. I should make about 50 G's on it. So not bad. Extra 50 G's on the flip. We'll take it. Profit. I have the title. I'm kind of shopping the Lambo around. I'm going to get screwed in the Lambo, guys. Like, I'm losing a lot of money on that Lambo. The Revoltos suck. I've honestly never lost money on a car I've gotten. Like, even the Urus, I mean, I drove it forever. Like, forever. And definitely got my ROI out of that car. The Huracan I sold for basically what I bought it for. They hold value really well. The Strato will hold its value. But I'm going to get screwed. I'm going to lose like 100 grand on that Revuelto when it's all said and done. So I'm just shopping it around, seeing who will give me the best deal. I'll probably sell it this week. Yeah, I'll take an L on that car for sure. It was cool, it was fun, but I'll definitely take an L there. I just don't like driving it either. No, I spec'd my own Revuelto. I will never buy another hybrid car ever. I will never buy another hybrid car. I will only buy gas, all naturally aspirated gas Lamborghinis. Only. I promise you guys I will never buy another hybrid car ever. Yep. Oh yeah, I'll lose like 100 G's in my Revolto, bro. Straight up. I just don't like the car. Like, I own it. I just don't like it. It's sitting in my garage still. I've been shopping it around. Yes, Big Zo, you'll take the car. That's very sweet of you, bro. That's very thoughtful. You're like, yeah, I don't really want it, but I'll take it off your hands if it helps you out. Thanks, bro. That's very kind of you. That's very sweet of you. You guys will all take the car to relieve some stress. I mean, I'll sell it for like 700, but I'll definitely I'll lose a little over 100 grand actually, because I PPF'd it. So I'll probably lose 110 grand. Actually, and then the registration too. Registration's cheap. It's registered in Montana. That's where the business is, but like 115 grand. Just mark up the L I'm taking, right? Just mark it up. I don't usually take L's, but when I do, we always talk about them. Honestly, I just kind of want to like get the car over with, and I'm looking to invest. I can't speak on it because I signed an NDA, but I am investing in a brick and mortar style business. That's all I'm saying, and it's going to be an absolute banger. I'm trying to get more into boring businesses. Like I'm almost 30, and I love trading. I love doing the whole social media deal, but I also want to own some boring businesses that will pay like without my effort. So when you're trading, it is active income. Like you're actively earning your income as a trader. While it is at home, and while it is like less effort, quote unquote, I'm opening a brick and mortar business, and that's all I'm saying. I can't say. I'm sorry. It's all I'm saying. I'm not telling. You guys will see it on social media once the deal's done. Trust me. It's a whole plan. It's going to be super cool. I'm actually really excited to talk about it. Yeah, I'm opening a daycare center in Minnesota. That's what I'm doing. That's the business I'm opening. I'm moving to Minnesota and opening daycares. I'm opening quality learning centers. I'm opening the Jdun Learning Center, where you come if you can't manage your risk and choose DOD. Y'all are hilarious. Oh, you crack me up. I've thought about getting a DOD tat. I think that'd be sick. That'd be super fire. Oh, man. Today was fun. I love when we catch winners like we did today. That was beautiful. Those options, let's see what those options did too. I want to start tracking that. So if you took that options trade alongside me on QQQ next days, on next day expiration, that entry was at, let's see here, around 840. Those contracts went 100%. Literally doubled your money from entry if you held. Obviously, you probably didn't top tick and bottom tick the contracts. But next day, which I'm not going to be trading 0 DTEs this year. I want to focus on next days for my options. Because I like to have a little more leeway. And what I've found, like I've traded a lot of 0 DTEs, guys. And what I've found is that I like to give my trades a little space to breathe. And when you're trading options and you're trading 0 DTEs, the position can move very quickly in your favor. It can also move very quickly against you. So I personally like with options to have next day or even 2 days out because it allows your position to move a little slower. The contract premium is a bit more expensive, but it moves slower, so you have more room on your trade to manage and for it to breathe. That makes sense? I'm probably sound like I'm speaking gibberish if you don't understand options trading. I promised you guys I would do an options webinar at some point. Is anyone still interested in that? Does anyone still here want options done back? Do we have any options lovers here? Damn, a lot of you guys. Wow. Okay. That's surprising. Wow. Oh my gosh. Overwhelming interest. Do we need to bring back options done? Pay done with the options? Oh my goodness. If you were here in 2023, you remember those days. Don't make me start nuking SPY and Tesla with y'all. Don't make us turn up the volume on some SPY and Tesla, baby. Don't make me do it. I will. We will do it. Don't get it twisted. They say, bring it back. Bring it back. All right. Yeah, leaps are cool too. I mean, honestly, your probabilities are better when you swing trade as well. Your probabilities are better. Ugh. And you know who's been balling is Peyton Watson. Bro's been balling. Don't. Saw him play at UCLA. He's been balling for the Nuggets, bro. Balling. Call that balling. Doing this is my calling. After that last sneak in 2-bar setup, guess how we're sitting today, folks? Biggest day of 2026. Last year in his deal, signed with Rich Paul. You think so? Oh my gosh, you guys are insane. That's hilarious. DOD is on the forehead is crazy. It's crazy work. You guys realize I've been trading almost 10 years in May? Isn't that crazy? I've been into the stock market for 10 years in May. I'll finally be able to say I have 10 years of experience. Bananas. If I would add DOD at the start, I would have made so much more money. Let's see. 30. Be the one to make. All right, guys, I gotta hop on this meeting. I just realized. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. All right, y'all. I'm gonna hop on this meeting. I'm also gonna pick someone from the Post Your Gains chat. I don't have my code yet, but I'll pick someone to get a code. Oh, yep. I think we got to do 2J. Passed my evals. The ultimate DOD test was today, and thanks for Jdun and Grizzly for leading us the way. Best trading team in the freaking world, Team Bull for Wife. Oh, yeah. That's a code. Winner. Once I get the code. Maybe we'll do a road code for Team Bull tomorrow. If I get it. If I get them. So come on. All right, guys. I got to get off. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, use discipline over dopamine. I'm glad we can catch a winner. And I'll see you guys. Do I have power hour today? Let me check the weekly schedule if I put myself on. Well, fuck. I'm supposed to have, I'm going to have Brandon cover for me. I have a meeting at 1. All right. Well, I'll be on power hour likely tomorrow because I have a meeting at 1 about my brick and mortar business that I forgot about. So, all right, guys, God bless. Trade smart, trade safe. Hopefully you guys made some money today, learned something, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. God bless y'all. Peace. Bye, everybody. Adios.